and welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 1st to the 5th of August 2022 on Monday. Namaswazi advises her family to stop paying Putin to lure him out, but will they be able to outsmart Putin on Tuesday? Gozi is left reeling after a discovery of a new enemy in KwaMashu. Bata's prayer for Mamfundi's service leaves him frustrated. Nonka hosts a beautiful dinner for her family. Where is she going on Wednesday? Gonzi gets nowhere with identifying his enemy. Nonka keeps her promise to Madongwe in an unexpected way. The Magwazes leave to see another day on Thursday. The Magwaza scrapyard is ransacked by unknown men. Hleziphi's fear reached a fever pitch and she resigned, while Njeza and Sbu are accused of a crime they did not commit on Friday. Hleziphi feels the war closing in on her. Mrs. Madlala tried to wiggle her way into staying at the Klaba mansion, and Kapsile brings sexy back. Guys, this is all I have for, so you can leave your comment below and share your opinion.